Hey everyone, today I'm testing out a portable tire inflator from a company called LASFIT that actually works really well. I was very impressed with how quickly it pumps up the tires in my car, and it also doubles as a power bank, and it has an LED light built in, which is pretty neat. So I'm going to go ahead and get everything unboxed with you guys, and then I'll show you how it works.
So I'll start by getting everything out of the box so we can see what's included. Looking on the box, you can see it has a digital display, an auto shutoff feature, preset functionality, it's compact, and it can use a 12-volt power supply. And it can be used to pump up car tires, bike tires, even basketballs. And this is the CR1 model with the battery information here. It does have a 7800 milliamp hour power bank built in, which is convenient, and it utilizes USB-C charging and can output 150 psi. And it only weighs 650 grams, which is less than 1.5 pounds. Taking it out here, you can see it comes in a small carrying case, which is nice. It comes with a detailed manual. The device itself is definitely compact. On the side, you can see the port for the hose, as well as the USB-A and USB-C ports, power adapter port, and the LED light. It comes with a couple of hoses. There's the 12-volt power adapter, a USB cable, and there's some attachments. Let's see how it turns on. I'll push the power button. Maybe I need to hold it. Oh, it looks like you hold it until those lights go all the way across. There we go. I haven't charged it yet, but it looks like it's at about half charge right now. And it's currently set for 35 psi. It's definitely nice and easy to read the display. I like that. I'll go ahead and turn on the light here. Whew, that's nice and bright. And there's a strobe function. But yeah, it looks good. You can easily adjust the target PSI. And I like it. Now to turn it off, we'll just hold the power button down. And there we go. Now let's go test it out. Alright, so I have my new EV6 GT here, and I just swapped from the factory Goodyear tires to new Michelin Pilot Sport All Season 4 tires, and I want to make sure all the tire pressures are where I want them to be. So I'll take it out of the package. And I'll insert the tube, and I'll turn it slightly to lock it in. Then I'll go ahead and take off the valve stem cap and screw on the tube. And I'll go ahead and turn it on. And yeah, right now it says I'm at 35 psi. I personally wanted a little bit higher than that, so I'm going to go ahead and set it to 38.5 psi. And I'll tap the power button. And there we go. Now I'm not going to fast forward here so you can see how long it takes. And we're done. 38.5 psi. That didn't really take too long at all. And it stops nicely once it gets to the target pressure, so that's good. I'll go ahead and unhook it now. And that one is done. I'll show you the connection here a little bit closer. And now I'll go ahead and do the rest of the tires. Since this wasn't fully charged, I'll go ahead and plug in the 12-volt adapter in my car and use that to charge the rest of the tires up. I'm going to do 38 psi in the front and 40 in the rear. It does come with a nice long cord, so that's good. Alright, they are all pumped up now, and looking at my tire pressure in my car, it is very accurate. 38 psi in the front and 40 in the rear. So that's great. I'm very happy with it. I have a Ryobi portable air pump, and this works much better, and it's definitely easier to read with a digital display. And it's not expensive. On their website, it's $68 before tax after my TechJeff 15% off promo code. On Amazon, though, it's even cheaper. They have a deal going right now where it's only $60, and you can clip a 21% off promo code off of that, so that brings it down to only $48 before tax. And you can get next day delivery too, so that's a great deal. But yeah, let me know what you guys think, and let me know if you have any questions about it. If you liked the video, please be sure to hit that like button, and don't forget to subscribe for more videos. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in the next video.